here. No coughing. In a little bit of, in a little bit of, in a little bit of, just a little bit of, in a little bit of, in a little bit of, in a little bit of. I was like, good gracious, cough is bodacious. Coughing like that, ain't confined spaces. Looking for the right time to wash my hands. Gotta wear a mask now per Uncle Salmon. I'm breathing, quarantining. Gotta get away from those demons. Sanitize those hands. Yo, Ron DeSantis done cancel my plans. And I'm filming, I'm rhyming, making parodies all the time. Put that mask on your face. You cough like that, get out this place. Cause I feel like busting you. Cough like that and bitch you through. Can't nobody stop the news. No TP, what to do? I said nobody coughing here, or bitch I'll break your nose. I am coughing so much I gotta put my mask on. No coughing in here, or bitch I'll cut off your toes. I am coughing so much I don't want my toes off. With a little bit of and 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 a little bit of